Welcome to Combat Aviation and Defense. Today, we explore the Australian Armour and Artillery Museum in Cairns, Queensland, home to some of the most iconic armored vehicles in history. If you enjoy this kind of content, don't forget to like and subscribe. Cairns, Queensland is located in northern Australia, a city best known for its tropical rainforests and gateway to the Great Barrier Reef. But just a short drive from the city center lies a very different kind of treasure. A place where history, engineering, and military heritage come together. Located in Smithfield, Cairns, the Australian Armour and Artillery Museum is a privately owned institution dedicated to the preservation, restoration, and display of armored vehicles, tanks, and artillery from conflicts around the world. Here, you'll find a stunning array of armored fighting vehicles and artillery pieces from as far back as the late 1800s right through to the modern era. With over 220 exhibits on display, it's a must-visit for history buffs and military enthusiasts alike. Among the standout pieces are iconic World War II tanks, including rare German vehicles such as the Panzer IV and Tiger I, painstakingly restored and preserved for visitors to see up close. Unlike many museums that rely mainly on static displays and text panels, here you can see history in its mechanical detail, from the mud on the tracks to the gunner's compartments and engineering features that made these machines both terrifying and remarkable. Guided tours are available, including a popular Saturday morning tour led by a military historian who brings the stories behind these machines to life with incredible depth and passion. But this isn't just about looking, it's about doing. You can take a ride in a decommissioned APC, experience Army-style adventure activities, and even try your hand at a shooting gallery with historic rifles. What makes this museum truly special isn't just the number of vehicles, it's the stories they tell, stories of innovation, survival, and the extraordinary efforts of the people who designed, built, and operated them. If you enjoyed this episode, like and subscribe to support the channel. For more in-depth tank episodes, check out our weapons, warfare, and history playlist.